Good morning students. Today I am starting new chapter perimeter and area. Uh, Perimeter and area. As you know that what do you mean by perimeter? All students I think you know that perimeter what is. Perimeter of any figure means sum of all sides. In your chapter there are two figures, rectangle and square. Come to the first of all rectangle. This is our rectangle. This is the length and this is the breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of all sides. This is L and this is B. L plus B plus L plus B, because 2 times L and 2 times B. So L plus B plus L plus B is equal to 2L plus 2B, and B take 2 common. So inside the bracket L plus B. It means perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket में L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now come to the perimeter of a square. What do you mean by a square? A figure which all sides are equal, that is called a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all sides. A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 4A. So formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into A, 4 into side. This is the formula of square and this is the formula of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle this and perimeter of square this. With the help of this formula we can calculate two things also. If we know perimeter and L or both, या तो हमें L मालूम है या B मालूम है, तो हम how we find this. These are two formula. L is equal to P upon 2 minus breadth. If you know perimeter and breadth, then you apply this formula, and if you know perimeter and breadth, then you apply this formula. If you know perimeter and length, then you apply this formula. Breadth is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus length. Now come to the exercise 1A. 1A first question is L is equal to 8.2 meter and B is equal to 5 meter. You have to find perimeter. The formula of perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into 8.2 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 8.2 plus 5, what? How much? 13.2. After multiplying by 2, your answer comes 26.4 meter. Second का third, side is equal to 12 meter 50 centimeter. This is 12 meter 50 centimeter. You can write 12.50 meter also. We add both. 12 meter 57 means 12.50 meter. Now come to the formula. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into 12.50 is equal to 50.00 meter. 50 meter is equal to 50 meter. Now come to the question number third. Question number third. This is your question number third. A rectangular field is 30 meter long and 25 meter broad. What is the length of the wall which will enclose it? In this question you have to find only perimeter. So you can easily find the perimeter of this rectangular field. Question number third का second. Find the length of the boundary wall of rectangular garden, which is 168 meter long and 132 meter broad. In this question also you have to find perimeter, because find the length of boundary wall. Length of boundary wall means perimeter of the rectangular garden. So you apply formula perimeter of rectangle and find the length of boundary of the wall. These are very easy question. Now come to the question number 4th का first. Find the length of a rectangular field if its perimeter is 240 meter and breadth is equal to 52 meter. In this question you have given perimeter and breadth. You know, what do you know? Given क्या है? Perimeter this and breadth 52 meter. So which formula you apply? This formula. Length is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus B. Come to the length is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus B. Perimeter how much? 240 upon 2 minus 52. 2 cut by this. Yeah, 2 1 is 2 and 2 cut by this. 120 minus 52 is equal to 68 meter. Now come to the fourth का second. In this question given perimeter is equal to 100 meter, length is equal to 35 meter, and you have to find breadth. तो फार्मूला ऑफ ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू P अपॉन 2 माइनस L इज इक्वल टू 100 अपॉन 2 माइनस 35, 2 कट बाई 100 50, 50 माइनस 35 इज इक्वल टू 15 मीटर. Come to the fourth का third. In this question, fourth का third, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter and its length is 3 times its breadth. Find its length and breadth. In this question, you know the perimeter and relation between the length and breadth. Its length is 3 times its breadth. Come to the question solution. Given perimeter is equal to 200 centimeter. So let breadth is equal to x. If breadth is equal to x, then length is equal to 3x. Because length is 3 times of its breadth. In question is saying the length is equal to 3x and breadth is equal to x centimeter. Now we calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into L this 3x and breadth x. 3x plus x is equal to 4x. 2 into 4x is equal to 8x. This is the perimeter. But given perimeter is 200 centimeter. So both are equal. These both are equal. So 8x is equal to 200. X is equal to 200 upon 8. 8 cut by this. Here come 25. The value of x is equal to 25. Now put the value of x in length. Length is 3x. So 3x is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 75. And breadth is equal to x. So is equal to 25 centimeter. It means length is equal to 75 centimeter and breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. Now come to the question number 5. In this question number 5, a square has a perimeter of 24 centimeter. Find the length of its side. You know the perimeter 24 centimeter and you have to find side. Given perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter and side is equal to perimeter upon 4. Formula. This is the formula. Side is equal to perimeter upon 4. If you know perimeter, then you have to find side by the formula of this. Side is equal to perimeter upon 4. 24 upon 4 is equal to 6 centimeter. Now come to the question number 6. A rectangular field is 42 meter long and 38 meter wide. If Raman runs around the field twice, find the distance he cover. एक फील्ड है जिसकी लेंथ इतनी एंड ब्रेथ 38 मीटर. एक लड़का है रमन, वो उसके 2 चक्कर लगाता है. तो सपोज दिस इज आवर फील्ड whose length is 42 meter and breadth 38 meter, and one student Raman, a boy Raman, who runs 2 rounds this. So first of all we calculate the perimeter of this rectangular field. Raman run in 1 round. Yeah, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into 42 plus 38, 2 into 80 is equal to 160 meter. It means Raman runs in 1 round. If Raman cover 1 round, then he cover 160 meter. So Raman runs in 2 times is equal to 2 into 160 is equal to 320 meter. Now come to the question number 7. Nupur runs around a rectangular field of length 30 meter and breadth 22 meter. There are two candidates, Nupur and Krishna. Nupur runs a rectangular field whose length this and breadth this, and Krishna cover a square field, and Krishna second candidate who runs a square field whose side is 25 meter. To in question what he asked, who cover a greater distance. First of all we find the perimeter of rectangular field with the help of formula, and second time we find the perimeter of a square field and see that whose distance is more. So in this case there are perimeter of rectangle is more than perimeter of a square, so Nupur cover more distance. So you can do this question yourself. Now come to the question number 8. Find the cost of a fencing of a square field of side 35 meter at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. So you have to, and given side here. So side is equal to 35 meter. So perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 35 is equal to 140 meter. It means perimeter of a square field is 140 meter, but fencing of 1 meter. Now cost of fencing of 1 meter is equal to 40 rupees and cost of fencing of 140 meter is equal to 40 into 140 is equal to 5600 rupees. हो गया.